Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 74th Miss Universe competition. This is now 2204 and don't forget to like and subscribe. Magandang araw Pilipinas, as of today on November 15, 2025, this afternoon, narito na muli ang ating update para sa Miss Universe of the voting lines for the People's Choice. Ladies and gentlemen, isang magandang balita for the Miss Universe voting update for the People's Choice Award dahil patuloy at muli na namang nanguna si Miss Philippines Maria Atisa Manalo sa botohan ng Miss People's Choice sa Miss Universe Up as of today, November 15 at around 4 p.m. Narito ang resulta ng botohan at ang ating top 6 highest ranking. Number 6, si Democratic Republic of Congo with 153,000 votes. Number 5 spot naman si Miss Paraguay with 201,000 votes. Number 4 spot si Miss Mexico with 214,000 votes. Number 3 si Miss Chile na merong 498,000 votes. Pangalawa naman si Miss Bangladesh na merong 591,000 votes. At nangunguna muli si Miss Maria Atisa Manalo ng Pilipinas with 604,000 votes. Congratulations to our very own Maria Atisa Manalo for being the number 1 once again for the People's Choice in the Miss Universe voting update at the Miss Universe application. Patuloy po nating gawing number 1 si Maria Atisa Manalo ng Pilipinas. Keep on voting at patuloy na mag-subscribe sa channel na ito para sa lahat ng bagong updates. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.